Suppose an object is kept in front of the mirror. In the presence of light, you will be able to see its image formed in the mirror. Just by looking at the image, can you tell me anything about its appearance? Well, one of the things that you can say is that this image appears to be formed behind the mirror. It appears that the same object is kept somewhere behind. But there is nothing behind the mirror. If we keep a screen here, the image will not be projected onto it. This image is called a virtual image. In simple words, an image which cannot be projected onto a screen is called a virtual image. And this is one of the properties of an image formed by a plane mirror. Image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual. Yes, it's always true. The other thing in the image that you can observe is that it's upright. Why do I say this? Look at the position or the location of the corresponding points on the object and the image. The corresponding positions match. For instance, the top of the object is the top of the image as well and not present at the base of the image. Do you know what such an image is called? It is called an erect image. Wait, aren't all images erect when formed? What can be the opposite of erect? We can think of inverted as the opposite of erect. Yes, an inverted image means an upside-down image. Concave mirrors can form inverted images. The plane mirror never forms an inverted image. So what are the two properties of images formed by a plane mirror? First is that the image is always virtual, and second, the image is always erect. Are there any other characteristics? The third characteristic of an image formed by a plane mirror is that it's of the same size as the object. For example, if the height of this object is 100 centimeters, then its image's height will also be 100 centimeters. Let's try it out with another object. Here both the coin as well as its image have the same diameter. But what if the object is kept much further away from the mirror? In that case, the image also appears to be formed much further away behind the mirror. But it appears to us that its size is reducing, isn't it? Well, actually, its size is not reducing relative to the object. It's still of the same size as the object. Let me explain why this happens. This is the object that you see in front of your screen. Now I'm taking this object away from you. What is it that you're observing? You will say that its size keeps on reducing as it goes away from you. But we know that in reality, the size of the object is not changing. It's only our perception that the size is reducing. The same thing happens with the image as well. As we move the object further away from the mirror, the image also goes further away from our eyes. And this is why it appears to be smaller in size. So what can we conclude from this? We say that the image formed by a plane mirror is always of the same size as the object. And this is our third property. In the next lesson, we will continue to learn more about these properties. See you there.